Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of BikeMap we go to settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. When above you will search about BikeMap and you will click here. In this page of app info, you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.